Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Osawatomie, Kansas. This project here, when I did this, it was to straighten these walls and make them all perfectly vertical. King Piers 4-step wall straightening process. The owner of the house didn't want to spend the money on the 4 steps. He just wanted to come in here and put these step 4-inch H-beams in, and we've got them done. My foundation crew, my A-team, my amigos, done a beautiful job. There was 2-inch cracks all the way through here, and we fixed them all. Wanted to straighten the walls and pier the footings and do all that, but they chose not to spend the money on it. But I think on this one here, when I did the 4-step process, I normally put these in. These are $800 each, and I bid them for $500 thinking they were going to do the all 4 steps. And then when he came back to me and said, "Oh, we're just going to do pay for the number 4s, the 4th step," I knew I wouldn't make any money on these. But I've got the best team in town as far as installing these. We started on Wednesday and we're done. There's 16 of them. Couldn't be more proud of my team. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.